Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, coming to you from the Bullion Now bunker. We are missing Reuben this week. We hinted at this last week, and we've had a bit of a play around between Adam and I, and we're not really happy with the quality of footage we're getting of the coins that we want to release this week. So we're going to do a sneaky release, which is what this is going to be. We'll talk about what we're going to release. But stand by, early next week, we'll get Reuben back on deck. He will be doing all the filming, and we'll actually do a proper unboxing with proper video footage and footage that's not so shaky, and you can actually see the coin and all those good things, you know, in focus, the whole box and dice once Reuben gets back, because my technical skills don't seem to stretch that far. So, without any further dramas, we're releasing today our Royal Mint coins that we've got in stock. So rather than holding them back, let's just get them out there and we'll see the finer footage next week. So in that, you've got the Royal Cipher 1 ounce silver coin. You've got the Royal Arms, the King Charles crowned Britannia. So that's it's a normal Britannia 1 ounce silver coin, but on the effigy side, King Charles has now got the crown on. So there's 3 different ones released this year. There's the Queen Elizabeth, it's the King Charles without the crown, and now the King Charles with the crown. So they are now in stock. They're all in silver. They're very limited numbers for all of them. The mintages are quite small. In the gold, we've got, again, the Britannia with the King Charles crown this time. So again, that's the third in the, if you like, the series. We've got the Royal Arms in gold. So that's the celebration of this year, and the cipher as well. We've also got the Royal Mint Tudor Beast, the next in the series, which is the Bull of Clarence. Now we've got that in 1 ounce in gold, 1/4 ounce in gold, 1 ounce in platinum. We do have the 2 ounce and the 10 ounce, I believe it is, in the silver coming, but they're currently detained at customs. Obviously their passport wasn't, their visa clearance wasn't what it was meant to be, so they've detained them momentarily. So we should see those probably, I guess today being Thursday, we'll probably see those early next week, I'd say, arriving and released to the website. So stand by for those. So that's the main ones for today. In silver, the Royal Cipher, the Royal Arms, and the King Charles crowned Britannia. And in the gold, we've got the crowned King Charles Britannia, the Royal Arms, the Royal Cipher, the Bull of Clarence in the 1 ounce, the Bull of Clarence in the 1/4 ounce gold, and the Bull of Clarence in the 1 ounce platinum. We are also going to do, later on this evening, we're going to do a sneaky release of the 5 ounce Royal Australian Mint Scorpion for this year. Now that is an incredibly limited production. There was only 1,000 of them produced. We have them in very limited numbers. So look out for those tonight on the website as well. That's it for now. We will talk again soon. And like I said, we'll get close-ups of these when we can get decent footage early next week when Reuben's back. All right, see you soon.